Welcome to another intriguing episode from GenA I Explained, your go-to source for everything AI. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey through time to explore the birth and evolution of artificial intelligence. Our tale begins in the mid-20th century, during the throes of the Second Industrial Revolution. It was a period of great scientific curiosity and innovation, and thus, the concept of a machine that could mimic human intelligence was born. As the years rolled on, this concept transformed into a tangible reality. From the creation of the first AI program in the late 50s, to the rise of machine learning in the 80s, and the explosion of deep learning in the 21st century, AI has been on an unstoppable trajectory. Today, AI is not just a buzzword, but a key player in our daily lives. This fast-paced evolution of AI technology brings us to our main discussion point: the impact of AI on jobs. AI has made remarkable strides, and with it comes the fear of job loss. Indeed, there are professions that have felt the pinch. Take manufacturing, for instance, where robots have taken over assembly lines, performing tasks with precision and speed unparalleled by human hands. Or consider the finance sector, where algorithms now execute trades in nanoseconds, something human brokers could never achieve. According to a study by the McKinsey Global Institute, about half of all current work activities are technically automatable by adapting currently demonstrated technologies. Renowned AI expert Kai-Fu Lee predicts that 40% of the world's jobs will be replaced by robots capable of automating tasks over the next 15 years. But it's not all doom and gloom. While AI has certainly replaced some jobs, it's also created new opportunities. So it begs the question, is AI really just a job taker, or does it have another side to it? Contrary to the popular belief, AI is not just taking away jobs, it's creating new ones too. When we look at the job market today, we see a landscape that's evolving, adapting, and growing, thanks to artificial intelligence. Let's start with the tech industry. The rise of AI has led to a surge in demand for data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI specialists. These are roles that didn't exist 2 decades ago. They're brand new, created by the advent of AI. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2025, AI and automation will have created 12 million more jobs than it will have displaced. But it's not just about new roles in tech. AI is transforming existing jobs too, across various sectors. Take healthcare, for instance. AI-powered tools are now able to analyze medical images, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. This doesn't mean radiologists are out of work. Instead, their role is evolving, shifting from data analysis to more complex tasks like patient care, consultation, and treatment planning. In the world of business, AI is being used to analyze market trends, customer behavior, and sales data. This has led to a new breed of jobs in data-driven decision-making and strategic planning. Again, AI isn't replacing human workers. It's augmenting their capabilities, enabling them to make more informed decisions and drive better results. The education sector, too, is witnessing an AI-led transformation. AI-powered platforms are personalizing learning experiences, making education more accessible and effective. This has opened up a plethora of opportunities for educators, content creators, and edtech entrepreneurs. So, you see, AI is not the job killer it's often made out to be. It's a job creator, a job transformer. It's changing the way we work, the way we think about work, and the way we prepare for work. It's creating opportunities for those who are willing to adapt, to learn, and to grow. So the AI revolution isn't just about job loss, it's about job transformation. The AI revolution is here. It's not a question of job loss, but job evolution. As we've seen, artificial intelligence is not only a job taker, it's also a job maker. It's reshaping the work landscape, phasing out repetitive tasks while spawning new careers in its wake. We've traversed through the history and evolution of AI, witnessing its profound impact on jobs. We've delved into the statistics, heard from the experts, and explored real-life examples. The message is clear. AI is a transformative force. It's not about the jobs it's taking away, but the opportunities it's creating. In the end, it's not a zero-sum game. It's an evolution, a shift, a revolution. And we, as a society, have the power to shape this revolution. Join us again at GenA I Explained as we continue to delve into the fascinating world of AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.